Alright, we just practiced writing the equation of a line when given its slope and a point it passes through. This is kind of a tough concept, so let's do another one of those. So the second half of your page, we have another example we can work through. Write the equation of a line that has a slope of -3/5 that passes through the point 4, -2. Now remember, this problem is different than the first one we just did, where all we had to do was put things in the right places, because they gave us, as the point it passes through, the y-intercept. And we knew that because the x value is 0. But this point, the x value is not 0, so 4, -2 is not the y-intercept, so we're going to have to find it. So remember what we do. Our goal is to get an equation in y equals mx plus b form. What do we know so far? We know that m, the slope, is -3/5, and we have an x and we have a y from the point they gave us. So next, we put those things in the right places. Y is -2. We write our equal sign. M is -3/5. X I'm going to put in a pocket so I can show multiplication, and x from our point is 4. And the only thing we don't know, and we will be solving for, is b. Alright, so on the busy side we need to do a calculation, and we need to multiply -3/5 by 4 over 1. How about? We can do that without a calculator. -2 equals -12/5 plus b. Alright, now to get b alone, I've got to add 12/5 to both sides. I'm going to take this up here where I have a little bit more room. So I add -2 equals -12/5 plus b. Alright, and I'm going to add that to both sides. Add 12/5 to both sides. Alright, I got 2 plus signs there, I don't need that. Alright, on this side the 12/5 go away. Let's see, we've got -2 plus 12/5. It might be easier to make 12/5 into a decimal, and you can check it with your calculator, but 12 over 5 is the same as 24 over 10, so I know that's really 2.4. Okay, that's 2.4. So I'm taking -2 and I'm adding 2.4 to it, so I get 4/10 is equal to b. 4/10 is also 2/5, if you will, or you can leave it a decimal. But remember, we're not done yet, because our goal was to write an equation in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to go over here, and we go back to using general y equals, we do have our slope, m is -3/5, x, we go back to using a general x, because we want to be able to put any input and output in, plus, and we found b. Remember all that hard work you did? 4/10 or 2/5, they are the same thing. Now this is the answer, circle, because this is what answers the directions. Write the equation.